A very special Audi A8 to show you here. One previously sold by us, so we've known this car. It is absolutely superb. It's an A8 W12 long wheelbase exclusive in oak green pearl. It's a one of one. There isn't another one being produced by Audi in this colour with the saddle leather. Fantastic car, 36,500 miles. And as I say, it is superb. All original, got every MOT with it. Most of the V5s as well. What a car. Quattro, four-wheel drive of course. And it has this registration number that's in with the price. W12 ABX, looks like A8X exclusive, that's with the car. It's got the rear camera as well as the parking sensors. Wheels are all lovely. It's had new centre caps from Audi. They tend to just corrode on the aluminium bits. They have been replaced. All the tyres are Dunlop tyres, all the tread, really good. Looking down the side of the car, I'm going to go down the side really carefully for you. There's no dings and scratches, and as I say, all looks to be 100% original. There's two chips I've noticed, a little tiny chip there being touched in, and one there. Say what a fantastic car to drive. Top tint on the windscreen. Sunroof, tilt and slide electric with sunblind. Front sensors. Look how nice that is. Now we've got original sales brochure, sat-nav disc, spare key, even the plastic key and the little tag. We've got all the MOT certificates from new, service book stamped, lots of service bills, collection of the old V5s. Had some two number ones on the registration number of this car. Originally owned by a trust, and they put two really good plates on the car. Right, same again down this side. I'll show you each wheels are going round. I'll go steadily down this side. Soft closed doors on this one. I'll show you the speaker system. It's got the top of the range Bang & Olufsen system. You can just see on the back shelf there, there's three big speakers, electric sunblind. Across the back for you. All nice and clean there in the boot, and also our customer bought an indoor car cover. He's kept it covered in the garage. It has been ceramic coated as well. All the tools in place. I'll just stand back and give you a side view, and then I'll show you this lovely saddle tan interior. I'm just going to take the key because we might need to power the seats up in the back. Keyless entry it's got as well on this one. Electric side blinds. In the door pockets here we've got the headphones for the rear entertainment system. Tweeters. This table's electric. It's the buttons are on the side of the seat. It's a chauffeur seat, so you can press the buttons to push this seat forwards electrically for more room. The seats in the back have massage function and heating and fully electric. Slightly darker piping, winged headrests, comfort headrests, front and rear. Rear air conditioning and your seats there, all the storage. This doesn't look as though anybody's sat in the back of this car. The leather's lovely. In the armrest here, there's the first aid kit and a remote control for the rear entertainment system. Footrests and over carpets, lift these mats up, and the carpets have never been trodden on underneath. No marks anywhere. Just lovely wherever you look. On this side, showing the front passenger. Same thing on the speakers, and it's got the tweeters on top of the dashboard. It's down at the moment, so when you switch on, which I will do in a second, put the screen up, and there they go, popping out the top of the dashboard. So many buttons on the seats there, massage, full lumbar, all electric. And no scratches at all on any of the wood. You will definitely not find a nicer one than this. Such a rare car anyway, but it's one of one. Driver's side then, and same thing again. Mileage 35,688. If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, where we've got all the photos, a full description of the vehicle with all the features. Absolutely superb to drive. Any questions? If you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, if you ask for Toby on this one, 0750 1730. Thank you very much for watching.